Okay, I was moving this key. If you hold the... oh, I lost it. It's no way over there. Okay. You hold the shift key down when... let's not move it out of place. Select the key, hold the shift key down and drag it, and then you make a copy of it, you know, so you can have a neutral face somewhere here, you know, neutral position for the eyebrows of frame 71, okay, 72. I don't know, maybe he raises his eyebrows when he says a vegetarian. When he starts saying vegetarian here on frame 16, you could make him quickly raise his eyebrows. So on frame 15, you could set a key, and frame 17, you know, he kind of emphasizes what he's talking about because he's passionate about it, and you can hold these two guys up, and then, you know, kind of raise his eyebrow, and then you can set a key over there. So that kind of does like a quick, you know, move up. Let's see how it looks.
I'm a vegetarian, you know.
Okay. And once again, to go to neutral position, what I'll do is I'll shift, copy, and drag. Shift, drag. Sorry, I did that. Holding the shift key down, drag this one and put it right next to that one there to just return the eyebrow to neutral position. So let's see how that looks.
I'm a vegetarian. You know what?
It's kind of fast.
I don't eat meat.
Let's go back.
I'm a vegetarian.
It's kind of fast. So what I will do is probably hold this key down as he's raising the eyebrow up. I'm going to copy that one, and the reason to copy is to hold that a few frames there and then make it go down. Let's see how that looks.
You know what? I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. You know what? I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, it looks better. Still no more tweaking needed, but that gives you the idea. You know, the first key is the one in neutral position, and then he raises the eyebrow quickly, right? That's the key 17, and then on 24, it's still up. If you notice, because we repeated that key from frame 17 over here, it remains on the same position and then goes down to normal position again, okay? The other thing I want you to work on, and then you obviously do the same for the other eyebrow. It can be the same or it can be different. You know, you can always have one eyebrow up, one eyebrow down, like, you know, like somebody that is kind of questioning something, you know. Oops, sorry. Like that. Be careful. One of the things that I wanted to show you is be careful if you move one of these controllers up to not have a floating eyebrow. If you move it up, remember the head is a little bit rounded, so push it a little bit back so the look is like it's sitting on the skin, okay? So not kind of floating over it. Because of the nature of the forehead, you know, it's kind of rounded, so if you move one control up, it might look like it's floating on the air, rather than you see like it's really far away over there. So just move it a little bit back so that it looks like it's sitting on the character's head. The other thing I wanted you to work with is the head, okay? The head node is this one here. So I want you to also, as he speaks, give it a little bit of, you know, movement somehow. Perhaps he is talking and he's looking at someone next to him. So maybe when he says, you know, that he's a vegetarian, he's so excited, he kind of tilts his head like we did it before. So with that node selected, I'm going to set a key over there at the beginning on frame 0. And then maybe over here on frame 24, I'm doing this randomly just to show you real quick. You know, set a key for that node, and I'm not sure if it's registering because I'm not seeing any keys registered. Let's see. Frame 0, set a key. And in frame 24, set another key. And let me see if this is registering because I'm not seeing the keys here in the timeline.